Decode the art of tattoo coloring in just 5 minutes. Look at the coloring sequence. Let's start with black and dark color. Then gradually adopt the light color. Finally, apply white and highlights. The sequence should be divided into 2 parts. Now, let's see how it's done. In 5 steps. Step 1. Solid color packing. Load a round 3 needle. Long press the power button and adjust the voltage to 3 volts to 4.5 volts. Rotate the grip to extend the needle about 4 millimeters. Sweep horizontally first, then switch direction and cross sweep. Use a single color to fill a closed area. This technique is called solid color packing. Maintain 100% saturation without any gradients or gaps. While applying color, there is no need for contemplation. Simply fill the entire area, ensuring the color reaches 100% saturation. The entire design should consist of solid color blocks, without any gradients. Remember this fundamental concept, as it forms the basis for all tattoo coloring. Decode the art of tattoo. Gradients and layering will be discussed in the following videos. We should raise a comprehensive understanding of the underlying logic behind tattoo coloring. In this example, there's only a small surface area of lilo. A round 3 needle is suitable for solid color packing. Step 2. Shading. The round 3 needle is not currently required, so clean it first. Otherwise, if it remains unused for a long time, the color inside the needle tip may solidify, affecting the future use. Adopt a 1205 Rm tattoo needle for shading. Adjust the needle to about 3 millimeters. This makes it easier to shade. Shade from top to bottom, from dark to light. Apply more pressure on the downstroke and release pressure on the upstroke. You can easily wipe the rest ink off using a piece of tissue, with the help of Vaseline. Prepare a cup with a 10% concentration of ink. Start from the initial gradient point and blend it downward. Step 3. Color layering. Create a gradient effect using black, dark blue, and light blue. Start with the technique of going from dark to light with black. Create the gradient effect from the inside out. After applying black, transition to dark blue. Then transition to light blue. This method of layering and blending multiple colors is called layering. To make it easier to understand, I will demonstrate on an iPad. The technique of going from dark to light involves starting with heavy pressure and gradually reducing it when moving outward. With practice, this technique can be mastered easily. For blue, apply it in the opposite direction, from the outside to the inside. Perfectly layer black and dark blue together, known as the 2-color layering technique. Create a gradient with pure black. And use dark blue to blend it from the opposite direction. To improve efficiency, follow the theory of layering. First, tattoo the entire design with a black to gray gradient. Then use dark blue for blending. Use light blue to blend from the outside to the inside. The higher the saturation, the more vibrant the colors. Black and blue are now applied. Next, proceed with dark red. Blend dark red with black in a matte finish. Use the solid color packing technique with a round 3 needle for smaller areas. For the tongue, use red with a round 3 needle. Aid the details with solid color packing technique. Step 4. Apply light colors. Apply light pink, light blue, and apricot. There is a significant difference between practicing on artificial skin and working on real human skin. It's only after achieving pleasing results on practice skin first that you can start tattoo simple patterns on real human skin. Mix a drop of red with a cup of white to create a pink color. Flat shade with light blue. Step 5. Apply white. This gives the design a more glossy and layered appearance. Then, add highlights. Use a round 3 needle for highlighting. In total, 10 colors were used. The sequence is roughly as follows: black, dark blue, dark red, red, yellow, followed by the lighter shades, and ending with white. Last, but not least, I would like to introduce this wireless tattoo pen. It can easily handle with lining, shading, and coloring effortlessly. No matter you are a beginner or experienced tattoo artist, this is a highly recommended gear for you. Self-learning tattooing can be a journey filled with pitfalls. I have been learning and researching tattooing for 20 years. Following an experienced teacher will help you avoid unnecessary detours. Learn step by step. Specialize in a field. I am Zero. Farewell.